Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a simple rice noodle meal. So here in the bowl I'll be using half a cup of corn flour. To this I'm going to add some salt and some white pepper powder. Give this a good mix. And then I'm going to cut two tofus into little pieces like this, and I'm going to coat the tofus with the corn flour. And we set this aside, and we continue to do the rest of it. So here the tofus are ready. So I'm going to heat a pan with some oil for frying. I'm going to fry the tofus. So I place each one in the hot oil. When they start to change color, we flip them over to the other side. And once they are done, we'll remove this from the pan and keep it aside for later. So I've removed some oil from the pan, and here I'm going to add in one large red onion. To this I'm going to add about 10 cloves of chopped garlic, and here I have some dried prawns which I've soaked with hot water, and I've pounded the dried prawns. So we stir this until they are well cooked, and now I'm using 6 eggs. We're going to fry these eggs. We mix the eggs up. And now I'm going to use the sambal paste. This is dried chilies. If you don't have the sambal paste, you can always use dried chilies. You soak it with some hot water to soften the chilies, and then you blend it. So I'm using the sambal paste which I bought. So we mix this well. So the spices will blend with the eggs. Now I'm going to add in some fish balls. These are the fried fish balls that I got from my local store. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of the dark soya sauce. And I'm also going to add a bit of fish sauce to this. That's about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce which I used just now. So we mix all this together, give it a nice stir until Everything is well combined. We add in half a cup of water. And now I'm going to add in the rice noodles. And here I'm going to use some chives. And some bean sprouts. We give this all a mix. Keep stirring it so that the under doesn't get burnt. This is a very simple and easy way to cook this rice noodles. And finally, I'm going to add in the fried tofu. And we will give this a good stir. This is actually a very simple dish to make. Here the rice noodles are ready. You can serve this. You can turn off the heat. And you can serve this on a plate. Look at how delicious the rice noodle looks like. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple home cooked meals. Happy cooking and bye for now.